You guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this whole recipe. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and I'll see you at the end. So we are starting out with some freshly washed lamb chops. I always get my meat from Whole Foods. And I just want to let you guys know I am just going to be chiming in and letting you guys know like what I'm doing. But most of this video is just going to be the original sound. I'm just going to let it play out. So right now I am hitting it with some Worcestershire sauce. And then I believe I'm gonna go in with like the olive oil next. So let's see. Is it olive oil? Yes, olive oil. And then I hit it with my favorite seasonings. I put on some gloves and I lathered it all up. I'll let the video play out. Do apologize if you guys hear just kind of like someone reading from a book. I was also studying and listening to an audiobook for one of my classes, so I was definitely just like multitasking. So if you guys hear that, that's what it is. So So I want you guys to really get into this sauce. It is amazing. Oh my goodness. It is olive oil, honey, soy sauce, garlic paste, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, capers, lemon zest, and chili peppers. And I mix that all together. So we are going to be using this as a glaze for the lamb chops, and you can go ahead and make extra if you want to put it on your mashed potatoes and your broccolini, all up to you, but it's specifically for the lamb chops. Now it is time to go ahead and make the mashed potatoes. So hopefully you have, been boiling the potatoes on the side before you start seasoning the lamb chops and all that good stuff. I'm using this tool. I'm not really sure what this tool is called, but you want to go ahead and mash up the potatoes. And then I am going to be using heavy whipping cream. And then I will be adding, I believe, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and just whatever seasonings. Oh, and a little bit of salt and butter. And then I am going to be using mild cheddar and Parmesan cheese towards the end. So Now, when your potatoes look like this, then you are basically all done. I do like my mashed potatoes clumpy. I don't like them like too runny or anything like that. I like for them to look just like this. So now it is time for you to go ahead and heat up the skillet. We're going to be starting off with our broccolini. And then we are going to be using the skillet on medium to high heat. I'm starting off with some olive oil, and let's take it from there. Now, off camera, I did go ahead and season my broccolini. And then I also put together some shallots with some soy sauce that I will be adding in just to give it a little bit more flavor. So go ahead and watch the process. So you're basically done with that. So we're going to set it to the side. Go ahead and clean off the skillet a little bit if you want to, or you can just use the same sauce, whatever. But we're going to heat back up the skillet, add a little bit more oil, and now it is time for us to go in with the lamb chops. And I do apologize, you guys. It is loud as I am doing this voiceover because it just snowed and the snow plow people are cleaning off the snow. Perfect timing, my goodness. But anyways, so you are adding butter. We're not going to add too much butter, because we're kind of on a diet. Uh, so we're going to be adding some butter, and then we are going to be adding in some garlic cloves, whole garlic cloves, just to kind of give it a little bit of that flavor, and some thyme to add some more aroma, because why the heck not, okay? So I cooked these lamb chops on medium to high heat for 3 minutes on each side to just kind of get that brown to them. And we are going to cook it for a little bit longer because we're going to be adding in that sauce, remember? So that sauce, we're really going to let it marinate. If you guys have enough butter and enough oil, go ahead and baste or baste, whatever you want to call it. That basically means scooping the butter into a spoon since it's really hot, and then you're going to be scooping it right onto the lamb chops. Hopefully that makes sense, but that's what basting is. Okay, my loves, now this is optional, but I'm adding in some shallots just to give it some more extra flavor. And then I'm gonna go ahead with that brown sauce. With the brown sauce, you definitely want to go ahead and baste the lamb chops on both sides. But just go ahead and watch. That sauce is so good. You guys have to make it. Like, it is so good. Oh, and I forgot, the sauce also has capers in it. That is optional. I just wanted it to be extra, so I added some capers, but that is all up to you. So I allowed that to just kind of cook and simmer for a few more minutes. And then you can go ahead and turn the stove off and just kind of let it sit in the sauce. Maybe take it off the heat if you want. But that was basically it. So let's go ahead and plate this. I promise if you guys make this recipe, you will not be disappointed. Everybody's just gonna like call you top chef of the year after making this. Like, it is a promise. So go ahead and try it. Let's go ahead and plate it. You guys, look at how fluffy these mashed potatoes are. Oh my goodness. You guys, just look at it, look at it, look at it. Tell me that does not look good. And then I also had a side of chocolate covered strawberries. I had my wine out, like it was time to just relax and unwind and probably read an audiobook or something like that. But you guys, please go ahead and try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. But honestly, just go ahead and try it. And then you guys are going to see my setup for the night at the very end. But go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and like and share. And feel free to comment on this video. I don't really care. If you've tried this recipe, let me know how it went. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Happy Valentine's Day in advance, or whenever you watch this video. I don't really know. But I'll see you guys on my next clip. Peace out. Bye.